Have you lost access to the phone number on your Facebook account? Don't worry, you can still reset your password. The process is a bit tricky, but I'll show you exactly how to do it by using your Facebook's official account recovery tools. First, you need to find your account using your name or username. Go to the Facebook login page on your computer or phone, click or tap Forgot Password. On the Find Your Account page, enter your full name or your Facebook username in the search box. The page will show you a list of matching profiles. Tap This is my account if you see your profile. Now, you'll be shown a list of options to get a reset code. Since you don't have your phone number, we'll use a different option. On the screen that shows your phone number and email address, look for the option that says no longer have access to these and tap on it. Facebook will ask for a new email address or phone number that you currently have access to. Enter it here. Facebook will send a security code to this new contact method. Go to your new email inbox or text messages and get the code. The final step is to prove your identity. Enter the security code you just received. Facebook will then ask for more information to confirm your identity. They may ask for a government-issued ID. Just follow the prompts to upload your ID. Make sure the name on the ID matches the name on your Facebook account. Once your identity is confirmed, Facebook will send you a link to reset your password. It may take a few days for Facebook to verify your identity, but this is the official way to get back into your account without a phone number.